Magandang buhay po at welcome po sa aking channel. Ang channel po na kasama nyo sa inyong pag-aaral ngayon pong panahon ng pandemic. Ngayon po ay tuturuan ko po kayo to solve the unknown parts of an isosceles trapezoid using its properties. Ginawa ko po itong Tagalog version upang maintindihan po ninyo ang aking pagpapaliwanag. Sa atin pong pagpapatuloy, kung ikaw po ay bago sa aking channel, click mo lang ang like and subscribe upang sa gayon ay ma-update ka sa iba pang video tutorial na aking i-upload sa mga susunod. Sa ngayon po ay nagagawa pa ako ng mga video lesson ng third quarter. Okay, bago po tayo mag-solve ng unknown parts ng isosceles trapezoid, i-define po natin para maintindihan po natin ano nga ba itong figure na ito. Isosceles trapezoid is a quadrilateral in which the legs are congruent and the bases are parallel. So, ito po yung ating figure, ABCD. So, kung iyan po ay isosceles trapezoid, AD is congruent to BC. So, in symbol, AD is congruent to BC. So, yun po yung legs. How about the base are parallel? So, AB are base and DC. So, kung sila ay base at isosceles trapezoid sila, they should be parallel. Ano po? So, in symbol, AB is parallel to DC. Okay, in solving the unknown parts of an isosceles trapezoid, we should know all the properties of isosceles trapezoid. Ano po? There are only 3 properties for isosceles trapezoid. Isa-isahin po natin. Property 1 states that the base angles of an isosceles trapezoid are congruent. Okay, so kung iyan po yung trapezoid natin or isosceles trapezoid, there are 2 pairs of base angles. So, angle D and angle C. So, kung sila po ay base angles, then they are congruent. Lalagyan po natin ng mark na -1, okay, means they are congruent. So, in symbol, angle D is congruent to angle C. Another pair of base angles are angle A and angle B. So, kung sila po ay base angles, then they are also congruent. Ano po? So, in symbol, angle A is congruent to angle B. So, para mas maunawaan po natin yung ating figure na property 1, so if angle D is 70 degrees, then angle C is also 70 degrees. This should be equal. Okay, let's try to use property 1 of an isosceles trapezoid to solve the unknown parts of this isosceles trapezoid. Ano po? So number 1, angle D is equal to 85 degrees. What is the measure of angle C? Number 2, angle A is equal to 100 degrees and the measure of angle B is equal to 3x plus 10 degrees. What is x? And number 3, angle ADC is equal to 4x plus 40 degrees and the measure of angle BCD is equal to 2x plus 60 degrees. What is the measure of angle ADC? So lahat po yan ay susolve po natin step by step. Okay, so for number 1, angle D is equal to 85 degrees. What is the measure of angle C? So, if you notice, ang given natin ay angle D. At ang tinatanong ay the measure of angle C. So, ilalagay po natin yung measurement sa figure. Angle D is 85 degrees. So, therefore, what's the measurement of angle C? So, of course, they are base angles and base angles are congruent. Then, angle C is equal to 85 degrees also. Ano po? So, in symbol, measure of angle C is equal to 85 degrees. Okay, so for number 2 question, angle A is equal to 100 degrees and the measure of angle B is equal to 3x plus 10 degrees. So, what is x? So, ang hinahanap lang po dito ay x. So, yung given po natin sa figure, tingnan po natin, this is angle A and this is angle B. If you notice, A and B are base angles, so therefore, they are congruent. So, from that, makakagawa po tayo ng equation that angle A or the measure of angle A is equal to the measure of angle B. And then, kapag may equation na po tayong ganyan, substitute lang po natin, the measure of angle A is 100 and the measure of angle B is 3x plus 10 degrees. Ano po? So, we can, pwede na po natin tanggalin yung parenthesis po muna. Ano po? So, para hindi po tayo mahirapan sa pag-compute. So, 100 is equal to 3x plus 10. So, yung 3x po ay nasa right side. Pwede po natin pagbalterin muna yung equation para hindi po tayo mahirapan. So, 3x plus 10 is equal to 100. The same lang po dun sa unang given. Ano po? Okay, so, solve for x. Transpose po natin yung 10 to the right side of the equation. So, 3x is equal to 100 plus 10 siya, magiging minus 10 po sa kabila. So, 3x is equal to 100 minus 10 is 90. since may kasama pong 3 yung x, i-remove po natin yung 3 by dividing 3 to both side of the equation. Ano po? So, if you divide 3, then cancel po natin yung 3. So, sa left side, ang matitira po ay x is equal to 90 divided by 3 is 30. So, yan na po yung hinahanap ng problem na what is x. So, x is equal to 30. Okay, so for number 3 question, the measure of angle ADC is equal to 4x plus 40 degrees and the measure of angle BCD is equal to 2x plus 60 degrees. What is the measurement of angle ADC? So if you notice sa ating given, tatlong letters po yung pangalan ng angle. So kapag tatlong letters po, ang vertex po ng angle ay yung gitnang letter. So sa angle ADC, ang gitna pong letter ay D. So sa figure, yan po yung angle ADC. Ano po? At sa pangalawang given po, measure of angle BCD, ang gitnang letter po ay C. So, yan po yan, angle BCD. Ano po? So, ang hinahanap po ng problem is the measurement of angle ADC. So, hindi po natin masosolve kaagad yung measurement ng angle ADC. Ang sosolve po muna natin ay yung value ng X. Ano po? If you notice sa figure po natin, D at C, they are base angles. So, therefore, they are equal or congruent. So, measure of angle ADC is equal to measure of angle BCD. Ano po? Substitute lang po natin yung given. So, for ADC, 4x plus 40 is equal to angle BCD is 2x plus 60 degrees. So, simplify po natin yung ating equation. Yung may term po na, o may variable po na x, lagay po natin lahat sa left side at yung walang yung may term na walang x, lagay po natin sa right side. So, for x, lipat po natin yung 2x sa left, positive siya, magiging minus 2x. Is equal to, yung 60 po na nasa right, then lipat po natin yung 40, positive po siya, magiging minus 40. So, 4x minus 2x is 2x is equal to 60 minus 40 is 20. If you notice, 2x is equal to 20, ang hinahanap po natin ay x muna. So, i-divide lang natin yung two sides of the equation by 2. So, 2x divided by 2 is x and 20 divided by 2 is 10. So, x is equal to 10. So, ngayon, masosolve na po natin yung measurement of angle ADC. So, measure of angle ADC is equal to 4x plus 40. So, substitute lang po natin yung value ng x there. X is equal to 10. So, that is equal to 4 times x. So, 4 times 10 plus 40. And 4 times 10 is 40 plus 40. And 40 plus 40 is equal to 80 degrees. So, the measurement of angle ADC is equal to 80 degrees. Okay, so for property 2 of isosceles trapezoid, it states that opposite angles of an isosceles trapezoid are supplementary. So, if this is the figure, isosceles trapezoid ABCD, there are two pairs of opposite angles. So, one pair is angle D and angle B. So, sila po ay opposite angles. Ano po? So, if they are opposite angles, then they are supplementary. Ano po ba ang ibig sabihin ng supplementary? So, kapag pinag-plus mo daw yung measurement nila, ang sum should be equal to 180 degrees. So, kapag hindi po 180, hindi po sila supplementary. Ano po? So, ang ibig sabihin po ng supplementary, the sum of the two angles are or is equal to 180 degrees. Another pair is angle A and angle C. They are also opposite angles. So therefore, in symbol, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So yan po ang ibig sabihin ng opposite angles and supplementary. Okay, so here are the questions that we're going to answer using property 2. So in the given figure, number 1, angle D is equal to 85 degrees. What is the measurement of angle B? Number 2, angle A is equal to 120 degrees and the measure of angle C is equal to 3x plus 30 degrees. What is x? And number 3, measurement of angle ADC is equal to 3x plus 40 degrees and the measure of angle BCD is equal to 2x plus 70 degrees. What is the measurement of angle ABC? Okay, so for number 1 question, measurement of angle D is equal to 85 degrees. What is the measurement of angle B? So, sa figure, kailangan po nating mailapat yung given para madali pong makapag-conclude kung ano po yung ating gagamitin. Ano po? Kung paano po natin yan isosolve. So, sa figure, angle D, yan po, that is equal to 85 degrees. And then, ang tinatanong po is the measurement of angle B. So, yan po yung hinahanap po ng problem. So, if you notice, using property 2, they are opposite angles. And opposite angles are supplementary. So, yung ating pong equation na gagamitin ay angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Ano po? So, the sum should be equal to 180. So, substitute lang po natin yung given. Angle D is 85 degrees plus angle B unknown is equal to 180 degrees. Ano po? So, lipat lang po natin yung 85 degrees sa right side. So, angle B is equal to 180. Positive po yung 85 sa left. Pag nilipat po sa right, magiging negative. Ano po? So, 180 minus 85 is equal to 95 degrees. So, therefore, the measurement of angle B is equal to 95 degrees. So, pwede po natin i-check yan. So, check po natin using the original equation. So, angle D plus angle B is equal to 180. If you substitute, 85 plus 95 is equal to 180 degrees. So, 85 plus 95 is 180 and that is equal to 180. And that is correct. Okay, so for number 2 question, measure of angle A is equal to 120 degrees and the measure of angle C is equal to 3x plus 30 degrees. What is x? So, ang hinahanap lang po ng problem is the value of x. So, madali lang po yan. So, tingnan po natin sa figure, nasaan po yung given. Angle A, yan po, that is equal to 120 degrees. And angle C, yan po, that is equal to 3x plus 30 degrees. If you notice, yung dalawang given, they are opposite angles. So, if they are opposite angles, then they are supplementary. So, ang equation po natin, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Ano po? So, substitute lang po natin yung given. Measure of angle A is 120 degrees plus the measurement of angle C is 3x plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So, yan na po yung ating equation. Pag simplify po natin yan, makukuha po natin yung value ng x. So, to simplify, lahat po ng term, yung 120 at yung 30, wala pong variable na x, lipat po natin sa right side. So, ang maiwan lang po sa left side ay 3x is equal to 180. Pag nilipat po yung 120 ay positive po siya, magiging negative. At yung positive 30 naman, magiging minus 30. Kaya 180 minus 20 minus 30. So, this become 3x is equal to 180 minus 120 is 60. So, 60 minus 30 is 30. So, 3x is equal to 30 degrees. Ang hinahanap po natin ay yung value ng x. May kasama pong 3, yung x doon sa ating equation. Divide both side by 3. Okay? So, divide by 3. Divide by 3. So, cancel lang po natin yung 3. Ang matitira po sa left side is x is equal to 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. So, x is equal to 10. Okay, so for number 3 question, measurement of angle ADC is equal to 3x minus 40 degrees and the measurement of angle ABC is equal to 2x plus 70 degrees. What is the measurement of angle ABC? So, para makagawa po tayo ng equation, ilapat po natin yung given sa figure natin. Measurement of angle ADC. Ang gitnang letter po sa ADC is D. That is measurement of angle D. So, ang given po dyan is 3x minus 40. And then, another given is measurement of angle ABC. B po yung gitnang letter. So, angle B po yan. That is equal to 2x plus 70 degrees. So, from that, makakagawa po tayo ng idea to solve for the measurement of angle ABC. So, if you notice, yung dalawang given, they are opposite angles. And opposite angles are supplementary. Ano po? So, yung ating pong equation dyan, so yan po yung ating hinahanap. Ang ating pong equation dyan ay angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. So, substitute lang po natin yung given. Yung ADC po is 3x minus 40 plus yung ABC po ay 2x plus 70 is equal to 180 degrees. So, yan na po yung ating equation. If you simplify, makukuha po yung value ng x. At pag makuha po yung value ng x, makukuha na po yung measurement ng angle ABC. Ano po? So, pagsamahin po natin yung 3x plus 2x, magiging 3x plus 2x sa left side. Then, sa right side, lipat po natin yung minus 40 at yung plus 70. So, 180. So, yun pong minus 40, sa kabila magiging plus 40 at yung plus 70, pag nilipat mo minus 70. Ano po? So, 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x. 180 plus 40 plus or minus 70 is equal to 150. Tama po ba? So, 180 plus 40 is 220. 220 minus 70 is 150. So, ang hinahanap po natin yung x muna. May kasama pong 5 yung x. Divide both side of the equation by 5. Ano po? So, to cancel 5. So, sa left side, pag cancel yung 5, x is equal to 150 divided by 5 is equal to 30. So, meron na po tayong value ng x, which is 30. Masosolve na po natin yung measurement ng angle ABC. So, ano po ba yung angle ABC? That is equal to 2x plus 70. Substitute lang po natin yung value ng x. So, 2 times x. So, 2 times x is 30 plus 70. So, what is 2 times 30? 2 times 30 is 60. So, 60 plus 70 is equal to 130. So, the measurement of angle ABC is equal to 130 degrees. Okay, so how about property 3 of an isosceles trapezoid? It states that the diagonals of an isosceles trapezoid are congruent. So, pag yan po yung ating isosceles trapezoid, there are two diagonals po. So, diagonal AC and diagonal BD or DB. Ano po? So, in symbol, according to the property, AC or diagonal AC is congruent to diagonal DB. So, bigyan ko lang po kayo ng background, simple background. If AC is 10 cm, okay, yan po, ano po ba yung measurement ng diagonal DB? So, therefore, DB is equal to 10 cm also because the diagonals of an isosceles trapezoid are congruent or equal. Okay, ito po yung mga questions that we're going to answer applying the third property of isosceles trapezoid. If AC is equal to 15 cm and DB is equal to 2x plus 5 cm, what is x? Another one, if AC is equal to 2x minus 11 cm and DB is equal to x minus 1 cm, how long is AC? So yan po yung ating sasagutan. Okay, so for number 1, AC is equal to 15 cm and DB is equal to 2x plus 5 cm. What is x? So sa ating figure, ilapat po natin. So diagonal AC is equal to 15 cm. And diagonal DB is equal to 2x plus 5 cm. So yan po yan siya. Ano po? So if you notice, applying the third property, the diagonals of an isosceles trapezoid are equal or congruent. So makakagawa po tayo ng equation. Diagonals DB is equal to AC. So, substitute lang po natin. So, DB is equal to 2x plus 5 is equal to yung AC po is 15 cm. So, mamaya muna po natin ilagay yung unit. Ano po? So, 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. So, lipat lang po natin yung 5 to the right side of the equation. So, 2x is equal to 15 minus 5. So, 2x is equal to 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. So, divide both sides of the equation by 2 to eliminate 2. So, cancel. X is equal to 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So, the value of x is equal to 5. So, yan lang po ang hinahanap ng problem number 1. Okay, so for question number 2, if AC is equal to 2x minus 11 cm and DB is equal to x minus 1 cm, how long is AC? So, ilapat po natin. So, AC is 2x minus 11 cm. And DB is equal to x minus 1 cm. So, the diagonals of an isosceles trapezoid are equal or congruent. So, to solve for the measurement of diagonal AC, kailangan makuha po natin muna yung value ng x. So, gagawa po tayo ng equation. AC is equal to DB. And then, substitute. So, AC is 2x minus 11 is equal to DB is x minus 1. So, lipat lang po natin yung x sa left at yung negative 11 sa right. So, this become 2x minus x is equal to negative 1. Matitira po sa right. Lipat mo natin yung minus 11, magiging plus 11. So, 2x minus x is equal to x. Negative 1 plus 10, or plus 11 rather, is equal to 10. So, the value of x is equal to 10. So, masasolve na po natin how long is AC. So, AC is equal to 2x minus 11. Substitute mo natin yung nasolve natin na value ng x, which is 10. So, AC is equal to 2x. So, 2 times 10 minus 11. So, 2 times 10 is equal to 20. So, 20 minus 11 is equal to 9. So, AC is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, salamat po sa inyong panonood. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. I hope so natulungan ko po kayo sa inyong aralin.